Hey everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Nicolette. We're going to be doing a little bit of a different video today. I'm going to be sizing up my ears. I have been at this size for about 3 or 4 months now and I'm ready to go bigger. Right now I'm at 5/8 and pretty typically the size to go to after this would be 11/16. So 5/8 is 16 millimeter, but 11/16 is 18 millimeters. So that's a 2 millimeter jump. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it is when it comes to your ear holes. So what I'm going to be doing today is actually using these glass plugs from UBJ. What's really awesome is that we make these glass plugs going up in 1 millimeter increments from 3 millimeter all the way up to 21 millimeters. So it's a really smooth transition, and it honestly is it's the healthiest way to stretch your ears. It helps prevent any type of risk for tearing or blowouts or anything like that. Matt has made a lot of videos on stretching, so definitely check those out. But I'll just be talking about what I'm going to be using today for this stretch up, and let's do this. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to just be using some jojoba oil. I'm going to apply this to my ear and to the plug, and just to allow a little bit of lubrication as I slide it through. If I feel any type of resistance, I'm going to stop right away because I'm clearly not ready. But I think I've been at this size for a while, so I think I'm ready to go. What's really awesome about these glass plugs too is it comes with these little O-rings to just slide on the back. These plugs are single flare, so they're flared out in the front, and then you just apply the O-ring on the back to hold it in place. And they went in super easy. That they feel great. They're not super heavy, but they're enough to help prepare me to size up again to get to my goal. So I'm super thankful for UBJ and these plugs, and I'm really excited for you guys to continue with me on my size up journey. We'll see you later.